Alright guys, so sorry I'm not there today, but just take you through a little bit about the assignment we're going to probably just do for the rest of the week, that we can all get caught up when we come back on Tuesday. So the assignment is listed on the bottom of my website. It's creating an infographic. So basically what you're doing here is this infographic is a way to show data or to show information in a more visually appealing way. So it says information graphics are visual representations of information, data, and knowledge. These graphics are used where complex information may need to be clearly stated. So the first assignment that hopefully you'll have a chance to get started on today, maybe finished today or tomorrow, is to use one of the websites that are listed here. And I also did put them up on the top here on my website. And I just put 3 of the 4 just because I think these are the 3 of the best ones to use. But there are ones that are already templates that basically just have to make a few changes to. All right. So the second one you would do is you have to create that from scratch in Microsoft Word. So that is something that's going to take obviously a little bit more time to do rather than the one that has a template. So what are some different things you can create? You can see there, but I'll show you an example. And what are some other things you could do though? Okay, it could deal with how to park, how to drive, certain things a lot of you are going through the driving aspect, how to dress, how to sign up for a certain activity, what is it like participating in a certain activity at school, how to become involved in a certain activity, or way you should join a certain activity. So let me show you kind of what an infographic is. All right, so if you just go to images, this is just tons of examples of infographics. Basically, it's just, again, visual representations. So you can see what's available here, 5 ways to keep your chin up. You can see tons and tons of options here. So if I go to, this one is Canva, and the best way to do this is if you guys just log in, and I want you to log in with Google rather than create an account. So you just get log in with Google. You may have to sign in here. So I will go ahead and do that. All right, so, and I've done this for a couple classes, so I'll see a few different things. And each site is a little bit different. Basically what you would just do is just on the top left here, go create a design. And in this one, it doesn't have anything specific that says infographics, but any of these are kind of considered to be infographics to show information. If you use something like Easily, I'll go ahead and log in there. All right, again, log in with Google or Google+. That works as well. This one has a little bit more stuff related specifically to infographics. So basically what you can do is say, let's say you want to do a tree timeline for whatever reason. Maybe you want to do it on how a tree changes, or you want to do maybe your own little family tree on it. What I'm asking you to do in this case is, and this doesn't show up perfectly there, but you can go in and make the changes to it. So let's call it family tree. Okay, and then you can make some of the changes to it, and then you can see here that this is just all kind of rubbish text. You would need to add something to here. All right, so you could put my family's information. You don't have to type a whole bunch in, but the whole point of this activity is to see what is actually available out there for you. So you can kind of spice it up here a little bit. So you can go in here, you can change some of the pictures. So you can get rid of that, and you could put in your own if you wanted to. Just make a few changes to any of them. So again, the one for the infographic using the template, not tons you have to do, but I want to make sure it's changes that are easily available to see for me to know that you know how to do this. So typically when you're done, you'll be able to go up to save, and then you'll be able to hit download, and you will send it either as a PDF, you might be able to send it as a JPEG file, and then you will email it to me for your final assignment. Okay, so that's just kind of the first part of the assignment. If I'm not there tomorrow, I'll make sure I create a video on doing the one in Microsoft Word. But hopefully you can at least come up with some idea, make some changes to it, and then I think you will be able to do pretty well on this today. Okay? So best of luck. You can email me if you have any questions. Otherwise, go ahead and make sure you finish that brochure if you have not done so.